Hello guys, welcome to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we will learn how to make this cycle man in Onshape capsule tool. And it is pretty easy guys. We almost have only almost have 6 parts in this design. So let's begin the tutorial without any delay. Okay? For now, let's create a new part studio. Click on the plus button and create a part studio. So what are the basic things we need? So let's observe this. We need a wheel and we need 2 bars for leg point and the knee joint and also the ankle joint. Okay, and we don't need to move these bars. If you want to make animation for this also, you can experiment to yourself. Okay, so the basic thing is we need to make this one. Okay, so let's jump into it. Click on the home. Click on the studio. Okay, let's bring this in the passion view. So, right click. So I'm going to send the right thing. If you want, you can also set this front thing. Because I want it's pretty easy for isometric view for better. That's why I selected this right thing. Okay. So, what do we need it? First of all, wheel. So for that, just select this central rectangle and give dimensions as how much you want for the wheel. So I'm just always take a near values. Here I took 2.5 and the width should be 0.25. Okay. I'm going to clearly add a center origin. Yes, and now 14. So before doing this, I just going to hide this one because we need the man for that. So I'm going to select the first plane. Flank plane. And I'm going to draw this circles. So what are this? Let's name as for this one to left one, and from this to thigh. And here we need the rotation joint, right? So add something, and here also to add this circle here. Okay. So for the adding the frame, I'm going to send the slot tool. So it will be easy to make this box like this. So how much dimension we should select? It is equal to 0.5. I'm just going to select and I forgot to do the dimension for this also. Let's keep this also 0.4. Select dimension and give dimension how much you want the lens length. And again, this is what's 1 and this is as 1.5. Or else, as per your wish guys, I'm just selecting the like this. Okay, so we need to add a circle here because we need joint also here. Now let's give dimension how much. Let's give the 0.2. Now I'm selecting this at this and click on the equal constraint so the 3 circles get into the same dimensions. Okay, so these are the legs we need. These are the main parts we need to work with here. Okay, so and sketch and extrude the frame to 1. This is 1. Then we'll select the solid extrude and give the thickness of how much you want the depth. I'll just point 0.1 or else 0.05. This much is enough for me. Click OK. This sketch again. Select it to select the sketch again and extrude the operation. And now keep it as a new part and give the same dimension as 0.05 inch. And give the offset because the 2 bars should be count, right? Offset should be 0.05 as well. Was that it is same as the distance. Now click OK. Now what will we do? Before that, guys, we forgot. Let's do the mirror operation for now. Right? Select the part and select the mirror again. Click OK. But here you can see they all got mirror. That's it. The parts are very near to the center. Where do we place the wheel? So for that, you need to offset the first extra object. So click on edit and then click on starting offset and just give 0.3 and click OK. I think this much is enough work. If you want this to be, you can also change. Okay, let's edit and give to 0.25. I think that's much is good for now. And we need to change this one also. For it, instead of your configured with the MCAP, change into entity and select this page. See, it is integrated to inside. If you don't want to be like this, just extrude, move it, and keep this one. So it becomes underside of it. Now, click OK. Now we get the shape. Now what do we need? We need to add the wheel. This is the most challenging one, right? Because the length should be made flexible to the wheels, or else if the rotation will not be possible. Okay. In the previous sketch, we already drawn the rectangle for that one, right? So select the one of the place, select the revolve tool, and select the axis now, and there we go. We got the wheel. Click OK. I'm just going to add the trellis to the wheel on either side. Just do 0.1. That's which is enough work. Okay. So what I need to is, I need to add this seat also. In the previous example, I didn't add the seat. So see, there is a no shape for this fan where you can sit. So for that now, I'm just going to add the seat also here. So or else just add the seat as last. Okay. So what do we need more? We need to add the pedals, which is used for the second. Okay. So for that, just come back to the right here again and select the sketch and draw the pedals right here. Just try it some random sketch like this. Okay. Add the another line, it should be imaginary. So what else do we do? We draw the same jet like sketch. That should be looks like a pedal. Okay. Now add the dimension now. You just can go 0.25. I think this is too big. If you want to 0.35, add the same and give to the 0.2. So what I do is just using the equal constraint and going to equal the every distance. The corresponding line and make sure you set in the equal to. Okay. So we add the patterns, but we should make sure is it able to cover this or not. But that I have a geometric how to figure that out. Okay. But that just look at the sketch. Okay. Now come back to front view or back to where you wish. Okay, guys. So for adding the pedal, we must need to know what is how to add the pedal angles, because if we don't find the correct angle, we can't perform the animation in the assembly, and or also the animation will be stopped in the middle. Okay, so for that we might know, we must understand at which angle the knee should bend when rotating the wheel or when cycling the wheel. Okay. For that, we can call this simple geometry here, okay? So, select the one set of wheel, okay? And select the sketch. Here, I'm just explaining how the geometry works here, okay? Using the geometry, okay? So, we have three centers here. One is the common center, and one is for pedaling, and one is for joint, the main joint, okay? On the set joint. So, first of all, I'm just going to select this circle, and imagine the circle, and drive an imaginary circle like this, and then give some dimension above 1.2 inch. So at this, with this diameter circumference only, the pedal should move. Okay, which means the pedal height should be how much? The pedal height should be 0.6. You may also know clearly it is a 0.6. Okay, so what we need to when it is rotating, the center of this pedal, it should move to the upside of 0.6. Okay, and when it's moved the other side of the common center also, it should move the upwards. Okay, so let's draw that common centers, common centers, and the common center and center center. Okay, by using the transform tool, select the both circles and move this positions of the circle up to 0.6. Okay, got it. Now with only two centers, the common center reach to the outside of it, and the circles we center reach to this point. Okay, now let's imagine when it moves the upwards, when it is having the revolver joint like this, it should not move upside. Instead of move upside, it should rotate either in this direction or in this direction. So let's imagine this pedal, this slide joint is moving left direction. Okay, so how we can get that? Then there is a simple geometry. Okay, then the circles. Okay, make it should be imaginary, and this is the present center of the pedal. Okay, and draw circle from distance to this center. Okay, and the blue light, it should not move, it rotates. So when it rotates, so this center should be in this position only. So for that, set this center. Okay, first of all we use the tool, so we get the center. Now select the circle and draw imaginary. Sorry, yeah, circle. So circle cube and draw it. Now you can see. So when it is rotating, it will rotate only over the circumference area only, along with the circumference of it. But at this point, when it is rotated from this shape, this also rotates on this circumference only. So when the both circumference intersect at the point, that is the point where the V joint should be. So there you can see we've got the two intersection points here. So I'm going to imagine that left side the pedal should move. Okay, so I'm selecting this one at the intersecting point. I'm drawing a circle. Okay, so these two circles are going to meet at this point. So for the exact position, we need to know what is the position of the angles. Okay, select the line and join to circle. So again and join like this. Now by using the dimension tool, we can clearly understand how much angle it should be each. So what it is 38.65 degrees and it is 48.509 degrees. Okay, okay, let's switch. Now let's perform whether it is right or not in the partial itself by using the transform. Okay, select the transform tool and select the gray leg one. By using the project, I'm just going to move upwards, shift direction to 0.6, helping the sketch. Now what I need to do is select the transform again. I'm just going to rotate this from its center only. What are the dimensions? 48.809 something. Let us figure it out. So only 509 is 48.509. it and now how much it is. It should also rotate from its center. 48 points. Still quite. No. It is 38 points to go. T8 points. Still quite. Sorry. Why? Line. Still quite. Enter pocket. Now since the board pedals are exactly meet at the point. So for now, we understood that the pedal should be 1.2 inch. So based on this geometry, you can decide how much height should be the pedal and it should we want to be there. Or else, if you want to go with the imaginary, it should be difficult for us and the hand motion also will not work. At face of this situation, I come to this solution to explain you for better animation. Okay. So what I need to do is I just kept legs like this. Okay. So I'm going to change this. So what is the height we select today? 0.35. So how much we need to increase? It should be 0.6. Okay. So that's at the stage. And it should be 0.6. And click OK. Now what you can do is, well, in the previous sketch, edit and some to the operation here for this circle. So it is instead of drawing canvas sketch, it should be easy for making the sweep operation for this one. So okay. My change is point to do down 0.3. And just going to hide read. Okay. What it is the channel band into the stage, this one. That's this one. Use the sweep tool and select the path. If you think it will not work, they can even add handles here. Just capital G. Just capital tag and change image of 20 verify. And we are done. But here we can see the idea is intersecting with the black. So for that, I just want to use this circuit dimension. So in the sketch, it's going to keep on giving. It's box addition side, 0.03. If it is still touching, you don't need to worry. Just erase it. You should relax the offset distance. 0.0, sorry. 0.2, 0.3, let's get 0.1. No, it is okay, right? So what more we need to do? We need to add touch on. Let's really add it, guys. Insert the tool, self-symmetric. And what you want dimension. Then we go in to that space. So for the symmetric, it is not working. Let's keep it as blind. You give the dimension and make it one. You can simply get the how much distance should be. 56.7. Okay. So this is the basic animation and what we need. So let's come up with the assembly. click on plus button, create an assembly tab, and input the parts from the Part Studio 7. Click on Part Studio. Here we got the parts. Just use selfie, set the revolute made, and set the origin, insert direction, set the center of the wheel. Now the wheel coordinate to the origin. So what more we need to do? We need to add breadth. 11 euros. Perfect use. Now add the wheel joint for L1. At this page, insert the inner cage. Up this page and this page. We do the same thing here. Is over page and move start page. And how much distance from this center, this block? So that's the switch back to the Part Studio. How much it is from this to this center is to find two. Okay. Set the equation rate at the center of the cylinder, and instead of selecting the same this press shift like this and give offset to the y direction, that is to point to. Sorry, it should be in y direction. Plus minus 2 point. Okay, now I'll do the video again. Now let's add the revolute made, the edges. So upload. In the details, we finish. And it. Now, select the revolute made instead of cylinder payment because it is easy and we don't need to find this remote where we need to exactly select. Okay? Select the revolute made and service to it. Now, you go. Okay, we got more this one token inside of it. Let's shift into another direction. Let's do the opposite. Now I'll do the revolute made. Sorry, cylinder. And that's cancel. Yep. The way we know, as I explained in the previous section, guide, the previous scenario, here you can see we just checked the angle only about this side on, but we didn't check it. We checked only in upward direction, but didn't check the downward direction. Here you can see we got the arrow in the assemblies. So it is showing the how much this much distance have to be here. So we need to cover that. So how much it should be center from center? The to rectify it, set the center support plane, and here it will show 0.608. Function 0.608. So we need to increase any one in the block. Okay, so it may be then the error will be of 0.608. Switch back to Part Studio and the sketch. Okay. Now, if you want to increase any one of it, either you can select one or it's circular. Just select this one. Which one less 0.608. Okay. And here you can see, but it should be totally long. Instead of this, just increase this one, okay? So, in this page, oh, let's increase both of them. So it will be equal for us, okay? So how much it is? 0.608 divided by 2, 0.304. 1 plus 0.304. 1 plus 0.304. Both part increased. Subtract to assembly. And with the error will be gone. Now they are in the proper dimension. If you animate, now it will work. Further, just simply send the first to with me. Click on animate and play the animation. Let's switch the direction and give it a 0. Now I can see that it is working good. But here is not working good. Let's see. Yeah. Now, not in position. So we just need to get it because we didn't add them in such a way. See, now the animation is working good. Let's change into new. Never play animation. Let's into the speed of 100. Now see, this is the exact way animation which we perform this in Onshape software. So if you might understand how to work with this, guys, if you really like this concept, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you keep more with me and support me, I will bring the new animations like this and will explain you how to play with the Onshape assembly. Not only the Onshape, in any CAD software, you can just do it, work with your imaginations and do animations in assembly itself instead of doing that like this. Okay? I hope you can like it. If you want the body, it is simple. You can have any of the body you want. So this is the basic main animation we need for this. So that's why I showed this. Okay, guys. If you need this model, just ping me in the comment box and I will surely share it with you. And thanks for watching.